It's happened to me about 4 times in my life where I have them for probably about 12 hours. I have to either take muscle relaxers or Valium. I just took a sip of this. It's like, I don't understand. It feels like just regular water going in.
Sure, I can show you how does it work. Several things can cause hiccups, such as acid reflux disease, carbonated soda, alcoholic beverage, or spicy food, right? So any of these can trigger the diaphragm here, and then this spasm gonna quick send a message to the brain through the phrenic nerve, and then send a quick message to our throat, and gonna close the valve, and this is the time you hear the sound of hic, right? And this gonna go again and again as a vicious cycle.